I decided that we should not, I should not allow Nigeria to break away. We will not allow any part to secede. Now, of course, Ojukwu wanted, if he succeeded, yes, with the oil, the major oil is in his own part of the country at that time, is in the eastern part of the country. Yes, in fact, he would be independent, he would be financially robust, and then who knows, he might probably go even beyond that to start reconquering the rest of the country so that he can be the president of the country.
Another Biafran memorial told by a white person. Mago na like ka ndị ba anyị na-ekwu dị okwu ụfọdụ na-ekwu ya asị na unu ji azọlụ view unu ji azọlụ followers unu na-eme nka mana ọ nwere bụ na ị na-anụ akụkọ from those that we are, most of them are in front of the line, because now that documentary in the BBC wepụtara, one of the journalists, one young journalist not there, but then all kagunka enwere ihe okwu say that na looking back now, that it is so shameful that they are in the pocket of the British. So onwere onye n'ime ha no on the side of the Biafran na cover ihe na media. All of them are the part of the Nigeria. The anger is Ojukwu really conquer all you well. If you see ka ha si we me, I think again another documentary. Although the BBC is not actually right in some of the things I put with there. My name which has one key point in na chokuno. Pay attention. If you can see where they don't want the Igbo can take you over that place. If you all this while na akpọ Port Harcourt, Asaba, Guinea one Ikwere, ebe one Efik, ana akpọ ha Eastern region. Eastern region. If you can see where conquer Port Harcourt, if you see can them is where migrate from, we mix each other na location na. So that's why sometimes in half one Igbo. Ona akpa agwa onye Hausa ha chasocha na ndị atụrụ ime ha mgbe anụrụ ọgụ atụrụ ime ha ime mma ha mpa ha because na ha migrate cha imago mix causes ọnụ amaazị onye bụ onye ifo ka ndị asị wee conquer ha that oil well ha we push we down to ndị Igbo and if ka asị gbalicha those bridges in order to to cut off the plans of Ndebanye mana ndị ọcha anụnwa na-ekwukwu okwu like this ha ncha hitikwa their own personal point about it, and then this second video.
It's a sad day because we are the Jews. We suffered so much, so many years. Our Holocaust, what we were going through, and when Rachel came to me and she told me about the Biafran people, I didn't understand what she was talking about. Because when we are coming to the members in the parliament, no one understands what's Biafra. It's in Africa, it's, what is it, Nigeria? No one understands the story of what you're going through. So when Rachel came, I told her that I'm only 18 years in the parliament, so I learned to do, I think, Urdu, and I believe in hard work, and I believe that we need to be patient, and like you saw that we had in the parliament the member of Knesset Magi who was talking about you. This takes time because the people in the parliament are very busy to run to the next lecture, It's going to be the 26th Knesset, so the parliament is going to, in a few months again, we're going to run. People want someone to vote for them, so because of that we have to be patient, because Rachel is coming every week, and Victor is coming with Rachel, and we are doing the hard work to, first of all, let them know what's Biafra, what are you going through, what's the suffer of Biafra, because they don't understand who is killing the Biafran people. And it's very hard to explain Like you saw, we had the member Sharon Askel, she was like saying, we're sending them blankets, like, they don't need blankets. They need you to save them from the Niagara, from the Nigerian people. So Niagara in Hebrew is like toilet, okay? It's not
they are the same.
It's the same, yes. When I see that so many of you, and I got to know Victor, is such an angel. Everyone is asking me in the parliament, where is Victor? Where is Victor? He's sweet. Everyone loves him there. You're also missing. Why you're not coming? As a baby. You have a good reason. So when I'm in the parliament, I believe that when I work for a group, for an organization, I need the people with me, because it doesn't look the same if I'm going myself and I'm telling them a story. I need Victor is coming every week and is fighting for you. Rachel is fighting for you. Monday Victor, Wednesday Rachel. She's almost she is out of her work because she's working so hard for you, and she's like Polish. She's telling me, no, it's not enough. It's not enough. All the time she's pushing me.
I'm pressing always.
It's not enough. I'm telling her, oh, don't be Polish. Like she's Iraqi. She's Polish. She behaves like I'm from Poland, but no matter. So thanks God that you have good hearts that are working for you, and I'm here for you, and we're gonna make it. I want to see that every time that we do something here in the parliament in Nigeria, they're
getting mad.
Exactly. They are trying to show how they're good in. If you're good to Israel, you have to keep the Biafran people and not torch them and kill them. And we need to work for other countries because we suffered so much. And thanks God that now we have a very good how do you say it? I'm looking for the word. We have a good avira, you say in Hebrew.
Atmosphere.
A very good atmosphere about you guys, because when Maggie was talking and the member of Knesset Limos Al-Melech was talking for you, you see that more and more members are understanding the problem, and we need more and more. Like right now we have already 35 members.
35 members.
35 members that are with us. So when we're going to do the committee, we need more and more members to scream for you.
Yeah.
And I believe that we'll do it with goodwill, because this is not a right thing or a left thing. It's every person in Israel has to help and to think that it's so important to help you guys. It's exactly like in the States when they say that if they want to live good, they have to help Israel. We have to help also Biafra, because we are so strong today and we can really help others. And thank you for you guys, the people who live here. The members are saying that they want to come to Israel, and Rachel is, no, they don't want to come to Israel. They want to
They are fighting for the land.
And they're fighting for the land. So even people of you who want to come in Israel, you're welcome in Israel. With so many shvatim.
Tribes.
Yeah, 12. Okay.
Tribes, yeah.
So we have enough place for the people here, and in the committee I want to change all of what you're going through. That every 3 months,
The legal process, the legal status, the visa.
and you have to pay a lot of money for people on the way. So you don't have to be checked every 3 months. You can be checked also once a year, okay? We don't have to press, because I know that many of you also are Jews. Shevet Gad.
Yeah.
So
Kemba.
we need to work for you guys, and because of that, God will help us. We can't look outside and say, I don't look outside, I'm okay. No, we have to. In Igbo we say Israel Aravim Zeh Lazeh.
Guaranteed.
It's not only about Israel, okay? We have to care about others, and we are together there. So God will help us. And how do you say? What you say always? All
All hail Biafra.
help.
Hail. All hail. And not only this, I'm waiting.
Thank you guys.
I'm waiting this Wednesday. I'm waiting this Wednesday for the parliament members to start signing about on our document.